Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing an absolute game changer for your car, the magnetic wireless charging phone mount. If you're tired of fumbling with your phone while driving, this is exactly what you need. This innovative mount combines three essential features into one sleek device: powerful magnetic attachment, wireless charging capability, and rock-solid car mounting. Installation is incredibly simple. Just attach it to your dashboard or windshield using the included adhesive pad. The magnetic design means you can mount any phone in seconds without any bulky cases or adapters. What really impressed me is the wireless charging feature. Just place your compatible smartphone on the mount and it automatically starts charging. No more tangled cables cluttering your car interior. The charging is fast and efficient, and it works through most phone cases. The build quality feels premium with sturdy construction that keeps your phone secure even on bumpy roads. The magnetic grip is genuinely powerful. I tested it extensively, and your phone stays perfectly positioned. The charging coil is intelligently designed so it doesn't interfere with the magnetic function. Whether you're navigating GPS, taking calls, or just keeping your phone accessible, this mount handles it all. It's compatible with all major smartphone brands and works with wireless charging-enabled devices. At this price point, you're getting exceptional value. If you spend a lot of time driving, this mount is definitely worth the investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.
I didn't know when I found you that I would find